Okay, today we're going to look at how to use the grid and how to filter and sort the different columns. So up here you can see where this is where we can group the columns. We're going to take the farm column, put it up there, and we're going to group by the farms. You can see we're now grouped up with the farms. You can then go ahead and collapse the farms down, so if you want to hide a certain farm, you can go ahead and do that. Next, we're going to take the barns and add those. You can see now we're going to be grouped by the barns with inside the farms. And what this allows you to do is see bins in a tandem setup, like you can see right here. You can also create groups and group by the groups if you'd rather than barns. Next, we're going to look at how to filter down the columns. So here we're clicking on the filters, and we're going to do less than or equal to number of tons in the columns. We're going to go ahead and put 3 tons in here and filter that out. And you'll see now that we have on the page all the bins that are only 3 tons or less. So if you need to quickly find a bin, you can do that right there. And we took the filter off. Now we're going to look at how we actually add columns to the grid itself. So here you can see a right clicked on columns, and now I turned off the running column and added the active column, and now you can see the active columns there. You can also move the columns around here. You can see we're moving the active column up to the front, and then you can also resize the columns if you want to as well. So once you know if there's a certain column that's too big for you, or you want to free up some room from other information, you can just shrink down the column. Next, we're going to show you how to export the data out of the grid and get that information into Excel so you can use it. And the export also uses the filter functionality to filter down the export data. So here I'm going to go ahead and go back and filter down to bins that have less than 3 tons, apply the filter, and then I'm going to go ahead and export that data out to Excel. And you can see the export's done. We're going to open it up, and you'll see that the export data is just the bins with the 3 tons or less. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and drop me a line, let me know. Thanks.